If you drank liquid nitrogen, the consequences would be catastrophic. With a temperature of -196 degrees Celsius, liquid nitrogen would instantly freeze anything it touches. The moment it enters your mouth, your tongue, throat, and esophagus would freeze solid, causing your tissues to shatter like frozen glass due to ice crystal formation inside your cells. If you somehow managed to swallow it, the real disaster would begin inside your stomach. As liquid nitrogen rapidly expands into gas, increasing its volume by 700 times, it would cause your stomach to swell violently. In extreme cases, the pressure could become so intense that your stomach bursts from the inside. Even if that doesn't happen, the nitrogen gas would displace oxygen in your lungs, leading to asphyxiation. Within minutes, you could lose consciousness and die if not treated immediately. In short, drinking liquid nitrogen is a death sentence, so don't even think about it.